A few months ago, Judge Gil Self summoned hundreds of people here to the Lauderdale County Courthouse to begin the jury selection process in the trial of Janice Spurgeon. She's the Florence foster mom that was accused of abusing children in her care. Judge Self said that he was ready for this trial to start, but as he saw these surging COVID numbers, he decided it was not safe to have so many people filing into the courthouse.
You know, I have Sheriff's Department deputies at the front door that are going to be exposed to these people. We have a lot of business going on in the probate court and the license commission, etc., on the first floor. Then you got to get on the elevator to come into my courtroom on the 5th floor. You're going to be exposed in the clerk's office.
Judge Gil Self told me Lauderdale County's low vaccination rates, climbing hospitalizations from COVID in the area, and school starting back were all factors in his decision to push this week's jury trial docket.
I could easily assume that some representation of that number, maybe not the 76% unvaccinated, but the folks that would be responding to the jury summons, probably 50% unvaccinated, that it was just safer, it was healthier for not only the venire, but for the people that work here in this courthouse.
There were 7 cases on the jury docket for this week, and they were able to settle 6 of the cases.
For the most part, the term had been successful, and we just didn't feel like it necessitated taking that kind of risk.
Lauderdale County District Attorney Chris Conley explained that the pandemic has really affected their more high-profile cases that need a jury to be resolved.
We're still meeting with lawyers and settling cases and you know, doing our alternative courts like drug court and veterans court and those things. But it's the big violent cases that we have that are backing up.
Conley said the district attorney's office stands by Judge Self's decision.
We understand, but it's so frustrating for not necessarily just us, but the victims who've been waiting a long time for their case to be heard and to get some justice for them. And that's the frustrating part. We certainly support Judge Self's decision.
Now, Judge Self has called for juries to convene in not only Janice Spurgeon's trial, but other criminal cases in October. Anyone who gets those jury summons will actually go to the Florence Coliseum for the jury selection process. And once those 12 jurors are selected, they will come here for opening arguments. Live in the Shoals, Breck and Terry, Way 31 News.